Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to fix snipping tool WASAPI exclusive mode audio error in Windows 11. First method is remove all Bluetooth devices. Second method is reset and repair snipping tool. Third method is change microphone settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.